Hey friends, I'm Agatha, and today I'll show you how trading opened up new opportunities in my life. I know what it feels like to wake up and know with full confidence that you no longer have to adapt to life's circumstances. Believe me, it's possible. I've been through this journey myself, and right now I can show you exactly where to start. I spent over 8 years working in investment banks, financial companies, and investment holdings. That experience helped me build my own approach to market analysis. It's a method that helps me spot opportunities, and it might be especially helpful for those just beginning their trading journey. When I was starting out, I faced doubts and uncertainty about the future too. Now you have a chance to learn from my experience. In this video, I'll show you my favorite approach, one you can use right away as you begin working toward your goals. So watch closely and stick with me till the end. Let's begin. Before we jump in, I want to share something important with you. I want your trading journey to start without unnecessary roadblocks, no confusing terms, no meaningless theory, no endless trial and error on your own. That's exactly why I created a private trading club. It's a simple, straightforward path to results, perfect for those who don't want to spend years studying the market but are ready to act and move toward financial freedom. In this space, beginners find confidence and experienced traders get a fresh perspective and access to my favorite strategies. So how does it work? Every day, I go live and walk you through each of my moves step by step. I analyze the market in real time, share my decisions, and explain the logic behind every choice I make. All you need to do is follow my actions and apply them in practice. I personally support every new member. That's why the number of spots is limited. Access can close at any time, and if you truly want to master trading without all the theory and complexity, don't wait. Pause this video and join right now. The link is in the pinned comment. Now let's get to it. Stick with me. Alright, let's begin the trading session. As you can see, I've opened the platform. This is how it looks. Let's set up the basic parameters and choose our trading pairs and indicators. Alright, I've double-checked all the settings and it's time to start. We've selected 4 pairs and we will be monitoring them closely. I hope you are ready to follow along. Let's go. Let's take a look at this situation on the chart. We can see a candlestick pattern has formed at the bottom, which often signals potential upward movement, a sign that a correction may begin after a decline. The price has also started crossing the indicator line. Chart analysis suggests that the correction could be deep, possibly leading to a trend reversal. That's why I'm opening a position to the upside. We've made a solid start to the session and we are moving forward. I'll be explaining the reasoning behind each decision as we go. We're seeing a prolonged price decline that eventually reached a specific level. From there, a candlestick pattern has formed, signaling potential upward movement, likely the beginning of a correction. This leads me to take a position to the upside. Let's keep going. We've still got a lot of work ahead. Here we've got an uptrend and now a correction is forming. The indicator lines have crossed and the chart analysis suggests the correction could go deeper. Therefore, I'm going down. It's important to make decisions based on thorough analysis, not guesswork. That's why I rely on indicator signals. So let's move on. Here, the price is falling and has reached a support level. We can see a sideways movement forming right before that level, and the price isn't dropping lower. Chart analysis shows there may be buyer holding the price at that level, which leads me to open a position to the upside. Okay, this happens too. So you've got to be prepared for different factors. Let's keep going. We're already halfway through the session, and here is the result. Impressive, right? Sessions like this happen every day in our free community. What does that mean for you? Forget about spending months sticking theory. We present everything in a clear, simple, and straightforward way. I share strategies based on real, hands-on experience, and you can start applying them right away. After all, I've been in this for more than 8 years. Whether you are a seasoned trader or just starting out, there are no barriers to entry. Just give it a try and join us and see for yourself. Watch how I make trading decisions and take action. Right now, you can join the trading club for free. But spots are limited because I personally support each new member. So pause this video, click the link in the pinned comment and join now. Now, let's continue. Let's return to the first pair. As expected, the trend has shifted. The indicator also shows a change in direction. There is a slight pullback in price happening now. Based on the chart and indicator readings, I'm choosing to open a position to go up. Okay. We've halved through the session. We've got some interesting interim results, but I'm not stopping here. So let's look at this chart. We are seeing a correction, and based on my analysis, the indicators are pointing to a potential uptrend. I believe the price may reach the next resistance level. Definitely something worth watching. Still moving toward the goal, staying focused is key. Let's keep going. Analyzing this chart, I can see that after a correction, the price reached a new high but failed to keep going. Then we saw a sharp drop from that level. This suggests there is strong selling pressure at that point. As a result, I'm thinking about opening a position to the downside. It's important to remember, emotions shouldn't guide your decisions. Let's keep analyzing the market carefully and move forward. Here, after a correction, the price made a new low and then bounced upward. However, from a local resistance level, the price began falling again. This suggests that sellers are still active. If the price drops back below the indicator line, I'll take a reasoned position and keep a close eye on the development. We are almost there, just a couple of trades left before we wrap up, but it's crucial to stay focused till the end. Let's see what's next. Here the price is moving within an uptrend. After a brief correction downward, it's now hitting new heights. The indicator lines also point to continued upward potential, so I'm closely monitoring the situation before making my move. Okay, just one trade left and we will have completed everything we set out to do today. Here the price is approaching a resistance level. I expect there may be some consolidation in this area before a potential breakout, so I'm watching closely, but it's time to make a decision and wrap up today's session. And that's a wrap. To sum up the session, I want to emphasize the decision should always be based on chart analysis and indicator readings, not emotions. But don't close this video just yet. I've got a bit more to share with you. You've seen with your own eyes. Now you have a choice. Learn from my experience or keep trying to figure it out on your own. Experienced market players understand the system. They don't rely on luck. I learned that over time, and now I'm offering you the methods I've developed through years of work. To support beginners, I created a community where we learn the market together, exchange insights, and I share knowledge that can help every member grow. So it's time to stop watching from the sidelines and start taking action. I rely on strategies proven by personal experience, and now you understand that real success in trading requires a system. That's why I'm inviting you to join our community. Maybe this is the moment you start building your new life. And by the way, our community is a great place to be. So don't put it off. Jump it now. Click the link at the pinned comment and join the community. And I'll see you there. Bye for now.